Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we'll be learning how to create a see-through text effect like this easily without any difficulty. At the end of the video, you will be able to edit or create something similar like this either with your phone or laptop without wasting much time. Let's get started. To start with, add a default text and type anything you want. When you are done, choose the font, size, scale, thickness of your preference and resize it to fit the screen if you want it to fit the screen, or if you want it to be small, resize it in your own preference. When you are done, highlight the text and press Alt G to create a compound clip. Now, add your imported clip and place it below the text clip. Select the first clip, which is the test clip that we created. Then go to video. Under video, scroll down to blend. Then select multiply. Perfect. Now you can place it at anywhere you like. If you can place it at the top, middle, left side, right side, place it at the point or the place you want it to be. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you have any question, put it in the comment section below. See you in the next video.